Hey, this is Science Feed. We're gonna today talk about our black holes. Now, how much they are weird and they really show. So, ready for this? Black holes are one of the strangest objects in our universe. The region of space of black holes have so much intense gravitational pull that no radiation can escape from. There are two types of black holes, non-spinning black holes and spinning black holes. Singularity, outer event horizon and inner event horizon are main parts of black hole. Singularity is the center part. Outer event horizon is the outermost part and inner event horizon is the middle part of a black hole. Black holes are mainly formed from our stars. In this process, as sun becomes older, its core becomes heavier. When the balance between the radiation emitted by sun and the mass of core of sun distorts, then sun collapses into a neutron star. If this does not happen, then due to more massive core of sun, it turns into a black hole. Whenever two black holes collide, they turn into a supermassive black hole. In this process, gravitational waves are produced and sent in every direction of the universe. In this event, too much energy is released. The gravitational waves were first detected by LIGO, that is Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, on the date 14 September 2015. If we fall into a black hole, then a process happens within us. That process is called spaghettification. Spaghettification is the process of stretching a body like a spaghetti due to the very strong gravitational field of a black hole. The reason of spaghettification is that force on lower side of a body is too much greater than the upper side of that body. 1974, Stephen Hawking showed that black holes create and emit subatomic particles known as Hawking radiation. If a black hole is left alone from its food, then it radiates and loses its mass and gradually shrinks and dies. Hawking radiation is also known as Hawking-Bernstein radiation or Hawking-Zeldovich radiation.